Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Today we are gonna read Louise loves bake sales. I love art. I love this kind of art. I love that kind of art. I see art in everything. Calling all bakers. First grade needs you. We are having a bake sale to raise money for our field trip. Did you know food can be art? We will make these cupcakes into works of art. We can make a rainbow of cupcakes. They look and smell so yummy, but they need more color. We need red. We need blue. We need yellow. We can mix colors to make more colors. Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Blue and red make purple. Now we have all the colors. Art! What are you doing? Oh no! No more colors, just gray, gray, gray. We cannot make a rainbow with only gray. Oh well, at least they taste good, even if they don't look like art. Wait, look like art? That's it! We can make them look like art. What do you think, Art? I can't wait to show this off at the bake sale. All we need now is the perfect sign. Aha! I've got it! You know what, Art? Food is like art. It does not always turn out the way you planned it. Sometimes it turns out even better. Si te gustó este video, dale me gusta y no te olvides de suscribirte. También entra a www.claudacosta.com para adquirir práctica de este y de otros temas, productos exclusivos y tener la oportunidad de matricularte a mis clases de inglés.